Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome, how you doing today? It is Friday and it's hot here, and I decided to do this video earlier in the day so I'm not roasting upstairs. We are doing an unboxing today, and if you're new here, I am Loving Life Freely. I am a full-time reseller on eBay, Poshmark, Mercari. I also do kids shows on Whatnot and Poshmark, which is going great. But we have a fun unboxing today. If you've been watching me for a while, you know that most of my inventory, most of my sourcing is through online. I do have access to thrift stores, but they're about 45 minutes from me, and honestly I'd rather be spending time listing and doing other things and moving forward my business than to taking time away to go do that. So a lot of what I do is right here, brought right to my door, and it's been working really great for me. So yeah, we're going to jump in and see what we got this time. Come check that out. Today we are doing an unboxing, like I said. This is a new one for me. I have sold Everlane before, but I haven't really sold it through boxes like this. If I picked it up like out at garage sales, I picked up some Everlane at a garage sale this last year. Sold very quickly. This is a men's new with tags, new without tags. And I got it on sale. They were doing a special when I bought this, like 80% off for thrifting something. It was like $80 off this box. So I picked it up for $320. There's 40 pieces, so that makes it $8 a piece for each item. I wanted to make sure I had this information for you this time, because my last box, I really messed up my numbers because I mixed it up thinking it was this box with the numbers. So on that last box, I had to make sure I redid those numbers. Okay, let's dive in here, guys. I'm kind of excited about this box. I love selling men's clothes, and these again are supposed to be new with tags, new without tags. And I do enjoy selling Everlane. So it says the comp was so low on this one. I really wanted to jump on this and see how it is, especially since it's new with tags, new without tags. I wanted to see how well this brand does in men's pieces for me. Okay, let's dive right in and see what we got. I'm almost done with my Aritzia box. I've got a handful of pieces left to list, so this is coming up next, and I do need to get more inventory because I need more inventory. So that's going to be one of the things I do today as well. Alright, Everlane size large. These are all Everlane, so I'll just let you know. This one is new with tags. Curious to see if this has a retail on it. It does not, but that's okay. These are new with tags. This has pockets, and these are sweats, men's sweats, size large. I am very excited to see how these do, y'all. I've already gotten a lot of interest in my Aritzia pieces. I do have them all listed on all 3 platforms. So, like I said, I'm really working on adding some nicer pieces. Everlane uniform, 30 by 30, men's chinos, and these are also new with tags. Yay! Definitely so much better than getting those men's pieces through the men's thread-up boxes. I did get some good pieces through those boxes, but honestly, after having those boxes for a while, a lot of the chino pants were just like the brands that don't do well. So even though these are like chino dress pants, so like casual dress pants, these are new with tags on Everlane, so they should be doing much better. I did check comps on these types of pieces on Poshmark and eBay, and they can do well. Okay, this is the uniform again. This one is a 29 by 28, so same pant but gray and a different size. Guys, let me know in the comments below if you guys sell men's clothes. I would love to know if you sell men's clothes. And if you do, where do you source your men's clothes? Not a lot of resellers sell men's clothes, especially a lot of men who are resellers focus first of all on men's clothes, and then sometimes they'll bring the women's into the mix. But not all men do women's clothes. And most women, when they start out reselling, they'll start out doing women's clothes and maybe put into the mix men's clothes if they're comfortable. But not all women do men's clothes. So I'm curious, let me know if you do men's clothes. Okay, this one's the same size, same thing, Everlane for a uniform, 29, 28, but these are blue. So I'm curious if you do sell men's clothes. Okay, 28 by 30. Okay, these seem to all, okay, these are just the Everlane, 28 by 30. These are blue. Looks like they're all dress pants. I don't see any jeans yet. Here's some shorts. These are new at tag. Uniform, size small. These are a blue color, size small. Those I will obviously get listed quickly. Okay, athletic fit, 29 by 32. Again, new at tags. I love having some new at tags, especially with the holidays just around the corner. I love that. I'm going to be looking at more new at tags through Helpsy stores, Boutique by the Box. I'm going to just do some research on some things and see what works. 32 by 30, again, new at tags, blue. No, these are black. I'm going to go through these quickly because, yeah. Okay, uniform slim fit, 34 by 32. Again, new at tags. I love the fact that so many are new at tags. It's nice having some new tags pieces. A lot of these are new at tags, y'all. I'm seeing a lot of tags in here. Okay, Everlane uniform 29 by 32 slim fit. These are actually like denim jeans. They're a colored denim jean. Very cool. I'm glad that it's sweatpants, jeans, and slacks. I love that. Okay, 33 by 32 uniform. These are I think they're a black. Where's the tag? Black. Sometimes it's hard to tell with the lighting, black or navy blue. These are definitely black. Some more sweats, which I love, new at tags. Original cotton, organic cotton, size small. New at tags, black organic cotton, size small. I love it. So if you guys are already thinking, I know, I'm going to say it about Christmas. For your guys, feel free to check out some of these new at tags pieces for your guys maybe. Everlane size medium. This one is the track pant. Okay. Everlane slim fit 28 by 30. New at tags. I think I already had one of these, which would be great because I could just duplicate the listing, which is awesome. Saves me time on listing. Okay, athletic fit 33 by 32. New at tags. These are a little bit of a different color. I love the fact that I'm getting a nice variety of color too. It's not just black and blue. It's a nice variety. Okay, slim fit 34 by 32. These do not have the tag, so these will be new without tag. A different color again, just awesome. New at tags. 35 by 32 slim fit uniform. Okay, here's some shorts. Everlane 36, new at tags. So I will definitely get those listed probably right away. More shorts. Size 30. Okay, some more shorts. Size 31 slim fit. New at tags. Here's some khaki. Uniform 31 by 32, new at tags. Gosh, you guys, I love that I'm getting such a nice variety of sizes. It's not all like the same size. Love that. Okay, 31 by 34. These are more like the jean, the denim pant, that's the black. Okay, 29 by 28 slim fit. Some grays. Okay, slim fit 33 by 32. Grays. It's the first time I've had this many pairs of men's pants. Okay, 32 slim fit, some shorts. And guys, if you see anything in this, reach out to me on Instagram if you're interested in any of these pieces. Slim fit 28 by 28, some grays with new tags. Okay, some slim fit size 31 grays, new tags. Ooh, some more sweatpants. Sweatpants, organic cotton. This one is black. The track pant again, size small. So there's another track pant. Awesome. I love the sweats. Okay, 33 by 34 men's. New with tags. Oh, yep, has a tag. Oh, here's a nice color. We don't have this color yet. 32 by 32. And I love the fact that they're not a bunch of small sizes. Got a lot of good mediums, larges, and all that. 34 by 32. And good lengths, too, for the taller guys. Those are some nice olive-colored ones. They're not just like the short 28, 30 inseam. I have some good inseams here. Another 32 by 31. So that's like a size medium. Oh. Some more shorts. Definitely be listing the shorts first. 31. I might even mix in some of these shorts in with the rest of the Aritzia tomorrow. Not tomorrow, probably Monday. I don't typically do listings on Saturdays. If I have so many different varieties of ways that I do things, guys. Maybe I'll share that with you guys next week. 38 by 34. This is a nice size. 38 by 34. How I run my schedule and how I do my eBay. 29 by 30. Few more. 30 by 32. These all have tags, guys. These are some more of the denim ones. Navy blue. There's a few that don't have tags, but all these have, most of these have tags. 30 by 30. Which is awesome. 33 by 30. I was seeing the average listing price for most of these on Poshmark was between like 40 to 60. So yeah, I do definitely think there's some good profit in these. 30 by 32. I'm excited to see how these do. I really, really am. 29 by 30. Like, I love the fact too that the browns have different variables blends. This is lighter khaki, a little bit darker khaki. Then I have the darker khaki. Just some nice colors, guys. I love that. Okay, last one. 35 by 30. Very, very nice. Okay, let's count, okay? Okay, if I count it right, I actually got 41, which is pretty cool. Guys, let me know in the comments below, like I said at the beginning of this, if you sell men's pieces. And if you do, how you source them. If you don't, have you thought about expanding out and doing men's as well as women's? I think there's a lot of profit in men's clothes. I do really well with men's plus sizes. I also do well with some mediums, some larges, but especially plus sizes. They can do well. The bigger plus sizes, you're kind of looking for the right person, but like 2X, 1X do well. I do enjoy selling men's clothes. I love providing them for the guys because on the platforms, there are guys' pieces, but not nearly as much as women's pieces. So I do like providing especially unique things like this. I'm really happy with this cock, and I'm excited to see how they do. Also, let me know in the comments below how you're preparing for the holidays. I have talked about that on the weekly reseller chat. Are you just focusing on pre-owned, or are you looking for new with tags? This box just happened to be new with tags, new without tags, but I love that. And I'm looking at some of the other types of boxes like this to get more inventory going. Again, to get to the point where I'm mainly selling items. I still will have my lower price bracket items. But I would like a big majority of my closet to be items that sell around $30, $35 or higher. Men's, women's pieces. Obviously, kids' clothes won't sell that high. But I would really like to be able to be working smarter instead of as hard. And also have less inventory back here. And still be making a good profit each month, right? Okay, guys, I'm hoping that this was a blessing to see what this Helpsy Source Men's Everlane box provides. Let me know if you've thought about getting this, and after seeing this, would you get it yourself? And guys, feel free to give this video a thumbs up. If it's a blessing to you, give it a like. Guys, we'll see you in the next one. Have a great weekend. Take care.